Hi, this is Doug Hunt from Mortgages Unlimited.
And this is John Speich with JP Willman Realty.
And we're excited about our upcoming event.
We're calling it the Wicked Smart New Home Buyers Workshop. And it's a great opportunity for you as a new home buyer who might be considering purchasing a home within the next 30 days or maybe the next 5 years. We still want to invite you to come to this event, pick up some useful and important information, and help you start in the planning process.
And we've got some personal testimonies from our previous class that we'd like you to listen to.
Take a look.
But this workshop really helped us to expand our knowledge on the home buying process, and we learned a lot of interesting facts that we didn't know before.
Although I'm not looking to buy a house right now, I knew that I had a lot of assumptions I wanted to iron out. It's a pretty intimidating process, but Doug and John made it really easy.
It was a really great way to ask questions, no pressure, no strings attached. It was just come and have some questions and get some free beer.
I would recommend this workshop too, even if you're not looking to buy a house in the near future. I mean, maybe you're like 5 or 10 years out. I think it's kind of just a fun night to come hang out, bring some friends along with you, have a drink and some pizza, and learn about home ownership.
I would definitely recommend this to my friends. I have a lot of friends that are engaged and going to be getting married soon.
I mean, you'll get a free beer, you'll get some pizza maybe, but more importantly, you'll get some confidence. Confidence to set some goals that you're ready to meet and that you're prepared to meet, and it's pretty cool in the end.
It's going to be March 26th from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m.
Yeah, we look forward to seeing you there. We'll have plenty of beer and snacks for you and lots of information. So we hope to see you there. But be sure to register. Click on the link below. See you soon.